If your test results or visual inspection data are labeled unacceptable, it does not necessarily mean that your transformer is at risk of failure. So, what does that test result mean? How does it affect your transformer reliability plan? What should you do next? SDMyers created Health Center, an add-on service for Transformer Dashboard, to answer those questions, empowering you to take control of your maintenance data. Health Center helps you understand your test results by sorting your transformers into distinct health categories. With this information, you'll see instantly what equipment needs your immediate attention. You'll get an overview of all your equipment and have access to the knowledge you need to make informed decisions on what to do next. Health Center uses algorithms and expert analysis from transformer specialists to sort your equipment into 4 categories. Satisfactory, for transformers where test results indicate acceptable operating conditions and require no action beyond routine testing. Watch, for transformers in your fleet that require more frequent testing intervals to keep track of a potential issue. Service, for results that indicate a fault that requires repairs or servicing to remain reliable in the long term. And at risk, where conditions exist that could lead to a serious fault or potentially failure. With Health Center, you can manage the condition of your entire fleet at once. Assess the level of risk for any of the transformers. Focus on critical equipment. And save time when it comes to interpreting data. And, as always, transformer experts at SDMyers can help you determine what steps to take that will lead to maximum reliability for your equipment. Get in touch with SDMyers and unlock the power of the Health Center today.